Cryptography, November 2014, Part A. 1. When the encryption scheme is said to be unconditionally secured. An encryption scheme is unconditionally secure if the ciphertext generated by the scheme it does not contain the enough information to determine uniquely the corresponding plain text how much the ciphertext is available. 2. Define the Caesar encryption and decryption. The Caesar cipher technique, the formula of encryption En of x equal to x plus n mod 26. The formula of decryption Dn of x equal to xi hyphen n mod 26. If it is a negative, we will add 26 in the negative value. When E donate the encryption, D donate the decryption, X donate the letter values. 3. What is product cipher? The product cipher, the encryption scheme in which the ciphertext produced by encrypting the plain text, the document is subjected to further encryption by combining two or more simple transformation ciphers or substitute cipher or more secure encryption may result. Product cipher. 4. Define the primitive root of the number. A primitive root, the mode n is an integer in such that every integer relatively prime to n is a congruent to the power of g mod n. The integer is a primitive root. Every number relatively prime n is an integer z such that a equal to g of n into mod of n. Difference between symmetric and asymmetric encryption. Encryption is the process of translating the plain text data into something that appear to the random and meaningless. The decryption is the process of converting the ciphertext back to the plain text. To encrypt more than once, more than the small amount of data, symmetric encryption is used. What is hash function? The hash function convert the string of different length into the fixed length string known as hash values. We can use this hashing to scramble the password into the string authorized characters. For example, the output values cannot inverted to produce the original input. 7. Define message authentication code. In cryptography, MAC is a message authentication code, sometimes known as tag. It is a short piece of information is used to authenticate the message. In other words, to confirm that the message from the stated sender and does not be changed. 8. What is the direct digital signature? The digital signature is a mathematical technique is used to validate the authenticity and the integrity of a message, software or the digital component if the digital equivalent of the handwritten signature or stamped, but it offers or more inherent security. The digital signature is intended to solve the problem tampering and impersonations in digital communication. 9. List the general approach of replay attack. The replay attack occurs when the cybercriminal eavesdrops on the secure network communication, interrupts and then fraudulently delays or resend into misdirect the receiver in doing what the hacker wants. The attacker could be successfully simply resending the whole thing. 10. List the possible approaches of RSA algorithm. The plain text attack a plain text attack are classified into three categories. Chosen cipher attack. In this attack, the attacker can find out the plain text from the ciphertext by using the extended Euclidean algorithm. The factorization attack. Next, chosen ciphertext attack, factorization attack, plain text attack. These are the three type of approaches used in the RSA algorithm. Define cryptology. Cryptology is a mathematics such as a number theory when the application of formulas and algorithms underlies cryptography and cryptanalysis. The cryptographic concepts are highly specialized and complex. We can concentrate only when some of the keys have mathematical concept behind the cryptography. 12. What is the auto-key system? A auto-key cipher is also known as autoclave cipher. Is a cipher that incorporate the message into the key. A text key uses the previous message text to determine the next element in the key stream. In modern cryptography, self-synchronizing stream ciphers are also auto-key cipher. Thank you.